Mr. Ashok Monani, CMD Ekta World. Hi, sir.
Hi, Anisha.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you two questions. One is, what is your perspective about the entire concept?
See, what I feel that infrastructure is the basic nervous system of any developing country. Okay, and the Prime Minister is very focused on this mission. He wants to give us houses for all by 2022, and I think it's a great initiative by the Prime Minister.
Oh, thank you, sir. Do you think such kind of conferences are the need of the hour?
Absolutely, Nisha. This is the right time that you had this conference, and this platform gives everybody an opportunity to understand what is happening in the world around, what innovations are happening, and we in India are definitely, reaching great heights and at a great speed also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Hi, we have architect Prashant Sataria, principal architect Prashant Sataria, architects and planners. Hi, sir.
Hello. Hi.
Sir, I would want to ask you two questions basically regarding today's event. One is, what do you feel about the entire concept behind this event?
I think the awards for infrastructure and materials in today's time, especially something which is innovative, which is the need of the hour, looking at the economical development and infrastructure development which is happening in India, are very relevant, and I think it will throw a lot of light on products as well as the vendors who are involved in it, and it will be a great networking platform for all of them to understand what kind of products other people are offering, and the recognition of people who are innovative will encourage others to come up with those products.
Yes, sir. My next question was actually, do you think this event is the need of the hour, as in a conference like this?
Yeah, I think it is very much need of the hour, because we have many events where you have the conventional way of having the events where normal products are displayed. But when you display or when you encourage products which are innovative, you are going into the need of the hour, what is required in today's time, and how the same can be, can be a platform for the manufacturers and vendors to launch their new product or to market their product and whom to market it. So it will position themselves better in today's market, which is a very dynamic market today now. Yeah.
Fine. Thank you so much, sir,
Yeah,
for all
thank
your.
you. Yeah, and my pleasure. Thank you all.
Hi, we have Mr. Hitesh Shetty, who is director of Westfield Pest Control. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I would be asking you two questions regarding the show and what is your basically outcome of the entire this thing. One is, tell us something about your innovation and products.
We are majorly into pest management services. The routine pest management services would probably include a lot of chemicals, which would probably directly, indirectly affect human health. What we generally propose, we generally work with an integrated pest management service. That means to say not only implication of chemicals, but also a lot of hygiene is involved. I mean, not everything. I mean, pest control operators are not just magicians to work the whole thing out. It's actually with the help of both the client and the service provider, which actually work hand in hand. We work with a lot of fruit extracts, enzymes, with a lot of things. Integrated pest management is not only about chemicals. It's about the layout of the entire premises and everything. So an integrated way of pest management services will actually help us. And going forward, there are a lot of chemical mechanisms that we can probably include as part of the entire gamut of services that we offer.
My next question would be, what do you think about the entire concept of the show?
The entire concept of the show is very encouraging for probably entrepreneurs like us. It forces us and probably pushes us to probably get into new innovations rather than using the old methods of service that the whole world has been using. It pushes us towards finding out new innovative ideas, being more creative, presentation-wise, product-wise. And as Modi ji has been telling us, probably make in India. I'd probably say we need to start innovating in India to start making it in India. All right.
Okay, thank you so much, sir,
Thank you very
for
much.
your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, we have Mr. Rohit Sharma, Director, MFS Foamwork Private Limited from Faridabad. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
Sir, I needed to ask you two questions. One is, what is what do you have to say about your product, new innovation and everything?
Actually, our product is this aluminum formwork system. Basically, it's a comparative new technology in India. Earlier, it was being imported. Now we are providing end-to-end solution, right from designing, manufacturing, and we are giving on-site support also, providing training for the proper usage of this system, so that the end user benefits out of it, and the cost of this system, although initially it looks to be on the higher side, but if it is planned properly, because the material out of which this is made, this is structural grade aluminum, it can be used 250 to 300 repetitions. But if the repetitions are planned properly, so net cost comes down substantially from the conventional formwork system. Plus, the main thing is that this MFS aluminum formwork system ensures fast construction. We can achieve 7 days slab to slab cycle against 21 days in conventional formwork system. So you can imagine if we can complete a structure in 1/3, in 3 times faster. So you can compare of how much we can benefit on the cost of overhead, inflation, and the capital interest itself.
My next question would be, what are your views on innovative construction material need in the development of housing and building material?
It is necessity, I can say, because you can see India is on the threshold of becoming a youngest nation, because 64% of its population is in the working category. So the need of housing will excel. And as on date also, if we see, there is a shortage of housing units, plus our Prime Minister Modi sir is very much keen to provide housing to each and every individual. So